Hi everyone, it's Charlie from Rubeck IT, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Acumatica Manufacturing Edition and show you why the manufacturers that rely on Acumatica are experiencing success. Let's first take a moment to identify and acknowledge some of the common issues plaguing mid-market manufacturers with legacy or entry-level ERP systems. Mid-market manufacturers often struggle to connect siloed business applications, and limitations in their ERP systems force them to bolt on solutions for production scheduling, marketing, e-commerce, and other operations. This approach leads to unnecessary licensing and customization costs and becomes very difficult to maintain as these applications are individually updated, and also leads to massive inefficiencies in resource management, as opposed to conducting these operations in a single consolidated platform. This approach also makes growing and expanding the services offered by your business extremely difficult, as these legacy and entry-level systems with bolt-on solutions lack the scalability and flexibility needed for growth. In these changing times, the manufacturers of today should be fully invested in a modern, cloud-based platform that facilitates the ability to adapt to changing business needs. The Acumatica Manufacturing Edition was designed with exactly these requirements in mind, and can help transform your business without breaking the bank. This slide shows some of the common manufacturing pain points and the specific solutions Acumatica has implemented to not only help your business overcome these pain points, but to thrive in these areas. Feel free to take a moment to pause the video and analyze how your company might benefit from these solutions. Acumatica packages all of these features into a single platform, and does so while offering an open architecture that makes customization as easy as possible. The system includes functionality such as seamless real-time reporting on finance, CRM, inventory, and manufacturing, which will allow you to always have the most up-to-date information at a moment's notice, giving your company a competitive edge in delivering exceptional customer experiences. Here's some quotes from our manufacturers that testify to Acumatica's all-encompassing set of features and seamless interconnectivity. One client states, "When we talk about Acumatica, it's not just about accounting, but about where we do all our business. We work in Acumatica and don't need to leave." Additionally, Acumatica comes with an unlimited use license that does not require per-user fees, as well as a multi-branch, multi-company configuration that allows you to track all of the data for multiple branches of your company in a single centralized solution. Acumatica is a cloud-based ERP system, but we also offer the option for companies to use their own infrastructure in a server-based configuration. Having your business's ERP system in the cloud allows for high availability and reliability, as well as an ideal configuration for remote collaboration and mobile access, all while benefiting from the security of utilizing a cloud-based data storage solution. Thank you for listening to our demonstration. If you are interested in finding out what Acumatica can do for your business, please email us at contact@rubeck.tech to schedule a free demonstration.